Good morning student, welcome in online classes of business study class 12th. As you know, we are discussing chapter first, nature and significance of management. And today topic is objective of management. There are three objectives: organizational objective, social objective and personal objective. Organizational objective. In this objective, management try to do good thing for business by increasing profit, growth, goodwill, etc. Social objective. In this objective, management try to do good thing for society, like use like using eco-friendly methods and providing quality products, generate employments for society, etc. Personal objective. In this objective, management try to do good thing for society, for workers. In this objective, management try to do good thing for workers by giving better salaries, better working condition to workers, other facilities, giving other facilities like medical facility, transport facilities, etc. So these are the objective of management. Let's solve a question related to this topic. Megha Limited manufacture water heater. In the first year of its operation, the revenue earned by the company was just sufficient to meet its cost. To increase the revenue, the company analyzed the reason behind the less revenue. After analysis, the company decided to reduce the labor cost by shifting the manufacturing unit to backward area where labor was available at very low rate. To start manufacturing solar water heater and reduce the production of electric water heater slowly. This will not only help in covering the risk but also help in meeting other objective. Identify and explain the objective of management. Discuss above. So in this question, in this line, we are shifting the manufacturing unit to backward area where labor was available at a very low rate. That means management thinking about the business. By shifting manufacturing unit to backward area, labor costs reduce and it is good for business. So that is organizational objective. And in second line, start manufacturing solar water heater. Solar water heater is a eco-friendly products and it is good for society as compared to electric water heater. So this line is related to the society. So that is social objective. I hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching.